Hello and welcome back. This is lesson 14 of the General English course for elementary level students using Interchange course book by Jaxie Richards. We're going to resume the class from exercise 9 of unit 2, which is a very grammar focus exercise. It's all about time expressions. For most of us, these expressions are a little bit confusing, but I'm going to explain them in very simple terms. So, by time expressions, this is what I mean, using at, in, and on, and some others like early, around, late, until, before, and after. Before I come to these, I will explain at, in, on, when to use them, and how actually. So, in fact, at is used with times of the day, anytime, 7, 8, 9, all these times you can use at with, such as I get up at 7, you can say I get up at 8. But we are going to use in with the parts of the day. By parts we mean, for example, morning, afternoon, evening. But we cannot use in with night. So remember, night is an exception. However, for the morning, afternoon, and evening, we use in. So when you tell your friend that I'm going to see you in the morning, you don't say on morning or at morning, okay? And we're using on with the days of the week, okay? So, and other things like on weekends, remember that in British English it's also possible to say at weekends, on weekdays as well. So, and on weeknights. But like, remember that with the days of the week from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, these days you use on, okay? Remember that. These are very simple rules. You have to remember them all the time when you write, when you speak, so that you speak properly. Okay, and we have these expressions. Well, these expressions are actually that they can be used based on your intention. That means the meaning indicates where to use these. For example, I leave work early, I leave work late. So very simple, but these are time expressions. That means you work late. Okay, I go to bed around 11. That means not 11 exactly, maybe before or 11, 10, 15, something like that. I get home late. That means you may get home at around 10 p.m. Okay, and I stay up until midnight, until midnight. I exercise before noon, that's before and after, okay? So remember these things. That will be more clear when we do this exercise, but before that I would like just to point out that expressing clock time can be like this. You can simply write 7, like in numbers, or you can write it down 7, or you can say, if it's like 7 sharp, you say 7 o'clock, okay? 7 o'clock. But if it's 7 a.m., you don't need to say 7 a.m. in the morning. You either say 7 a.m. or 7 in the morning. If it's 7 p.m., you don't need to say 7 p.m. in the evening. You just simply say 7 p.m. or 7 in the evening, okay? One of these, not both. Okay? So now we're going to jump to these, like the use of these, time expressions. We go one by one. I will do some of them and leave some for you so that you can practice on your own. Okay? So I get up at 6. Remember that. There's 6. That means this at is not for weekdays. At 6. So I told you, with the times of the day, we use at. That's true. But what about weekdays? We said we're going to use on. Now, next, I have lunch at early 11:30 on Mondays. Which one? Well, I told you that with the times of the day, at again, and now I told you the days of the week we use on. I have a snack in and around. So, in is used with these parts of the day. Since it's like a specific time, we use around. Okay? At night, I forgot to tell you that. I told you that we cannot use in with night, so we use at. Okay? Remember that. We use at night, not in night. Okay? In on Fridays, again on. I leave school early. Okay? I leave school early. You cannot choose before, because before and after there must be like a kind of time that can tell you whether before that time or after that time. If we choose before, this, like, the meaning will not be complete. Okay? Will not be correct. I stay up before until 1 a.m. Okay? Since the meaning indicates that you will stay awake until 1 a.m., that means you have to say until, not before. Okay? So, if that was like... and we have in on weekends, so I said on weekends. I sleep around noon on Sundays. So until or around, the meaning says you have to choose until, I believe, yes, yeah. That means you will stay asleep until noon, not around noon. If there was an at here, you would surely choose around. Okay? On Sundays. And the last one would be 7. You will do the rest. I have dinner at 7 on weeknights. Okay? So you will do that. If you have any questions, write them in the comments section for me so that I can reply like as soon as I can. So, part C, take turns asking and answering these questions. These are some statements. We can use these questions and reply using these kind of ways in response to these questions. For example, which days do you get up early or late? You simply say, I get up early on, for example, Sundays. I get up late on Fridays. And you continue to do the same. What is something you do in the morning? You can say, I exercise before 7 in the morning, okay? Before 7 in the morning. And you continue to do the same. What is something you do before English class? You can say, I drink a coffee before my English class. And as I said, continue doing the rest of the questions and then answer based on your what is true actually for you. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments section and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So exercise 10, listening. What hours do you work? Listen to Aaron, Madison, and Kyla talk about their daily schedules. Complete the chart. So what you need to do is now you have to listen carefully and fill out, okay, complete this chart, okay? For example, Aaron's job, or what does Aaron do? Aaron is a carpenter. But tell me, based on the listening, when does he get up? When does he get home? When does he go to bed? The same thing for other people, okay? So you listen and you complete, and I will later on reveal the answers in the next lesson, okay? So listen now and try to know the answers.
Page 12, Exercise 10. Listening. What hours do you work? Part A. Listen to Aaron, Madison, and Kayla talk about their daily schedules. Complete the chart.
What do you do, Aaron?
I'm a carpenter.
Oh, yeah? So what hours do you work?
I work 8 hours a day from Monday to Friday. I get up around 6 a.m. and I work from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. I get home pretty early, about 4 p.m. I go to bed at 10. And what do you do, Madison?
Well, I'm an accountant. It's a regular 9-to-5 office job, so I get up at 7 a.m. and get home around 6 p.m. That's okay, though, because I like to go out at night. I go to bed around midnight on weekdays.
What about you, Kayla?
Well, my hours are a bit different. I'm a nurse. I start work at 11 at night. I work until 7 a.m.
Wow. So what time do you get up?
I get home at 8 and go to bed at about 8:30, and I sleep until 4 p.m.
And what do you do in the evenings?
Oh, you know, I have dinner, watch TV, see friends. It's a great schedule for me.
Okay, so that was the listening. I'm now going to reveal the answers. Check out my next lesson. You will know the answers. Thank you so much for watching. See you then.